Okay, not uploaded anything recently, but I've been busy with other projects, including this 1950s Philips Radiogram. It is a 3D printing project because I've actually 3D printed a new headshell which holds the cartridge to the tone arm. The originals are unfortunately either completely unavailable or very expensive. Okay, let's give it a go. And there you go, playing some random record I acquired at a car boot sale. Okay, great. Well, I will do a longer video showing the details of the 3D printing and all the ins and outs of it, but for the minute, thanks for watching and bye for now.